comes soft like a gentle breeze, whispering through the tall green trees. A quiet touch that cools the day. She's summer rain, she washes gray. Through the leaves she softly falls, healing hearts and broken walls. Underneath the warm sky's glow, she's the rain that helps us grow. She's summer rain, a tender song, cleansing pain where it belongs, bringing peace in every drop, changing tides. She won't ever stop. She's summer rain. She's summer Sometimes cold, sometimes warm. She's the calm within the storm, changing skies, a sweet embrace.